Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Uber Eats payment error. So let's get into the video. So if you have issue with Uber Eats payment, so you're getting some payment error and stuff. So what you can do, you can simply go to your Play Store. As the first point of troubleshooting, you can go to your Play Store and then search for Uber Eats. And when you search for Uber Eats and see if there is an update for Uber Eats or something like this, if there's an update, so just update your app because that might fix the issue. Apart from that, what you can do, you can go to your app settings. So for example, if you open up your app, go to the app information or to the app settings from the settings options. So here under app information for your Uber Eats, click on the storage information. So when you click on the storage information, try to click on clear cache. So try to clear the cache and then go back again to your Play Store and see if you have an update now for your Uber Eats. If there is an update, then just reinstall the update as well as restart your phone, and that should fix up your issue. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.